Hello guys, welcome another day more in Cook Your Life. I would like to show you today a very simple and tasty recipe. I like the idea of cooking a meal in one bowl based on the Shakshuka recipe, but we want to do a little bit Mexican twist, and the good thing of that is I would like to show you 3 different meals you can do with one cook. So it would be fantastic to just do on maybe once a week, and then you store on the fridge, and then you can do a little bit different variation of the meal. And I would like to remind you that all the ingredients and recipe we leave on the description below, so come with me and enjoy that delicious recipe today. Let's go.